Anak, sa iyong pagtatapos, naway isabuhay mo ang mga aral na ibinigay sa iyo ng buhay, ng ating pamilya, at ng Universidad ng Santo Tomas.
Candidates, you may impose the hood onto yourselves. You may now take your seats. Father Luan John will confer the programs the degrees per program, as we call them here on stage. At this point, we now request the chairs and coordinators to read the names of the graduates from the